Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I was doing a pantry meal and thought may as well do a video on this. I'm tired today. Our heater went out in the middle of the night, so I've been up since like 3 in the morning. It got really cold, so I worked all day. I made blueberry muffins, granola, cleaned out a closet to use for food storage, washed a bunch of blankets, just been doing stuff, unloaded and reloaded the dishwasher, vacuuming, just all kind of stuff. So I'm tired now. It's the end of the day and I'm about ready to peter out. So what we're going to do is make some ham and bean soup with our home canned pinto beans, and they have a little bit of ham in them, but I went ahead and got a can of this ham, but you can use one of those DAC hams or your home canned ham or Spam or whatever you like, that hickory Spam. I got the Spam better than bouillon, not Spam, the ham better than bouillon. I don't think they have Spam flavored bouillon. I got a box of Krusty's honey cornbread, so I put some, and it's getting really hot, some bacon drippings in there, and I have a little bit of diced celery, onion, and carrot. I'm just going to soften those up just to add a little more flavor and stuff to our home canned stuff. You don't have to do this, and you can use your store-bought pinto beans for this. It does not have to be home canned. Add a little salt and pepper. And if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're a comer backer, please like and comment. It helps get these videos out there. I try to find preppers all the time, and I don't know where they hide them. But I hear about people, and I don't often hear the full names, or people don't use the full names, so can't find channels. So, and we get unsubscribed. And if I don't know the full name, can't remember the full name of the channel I was subscribed to, I can never find them again unless I see them somewhere. So check your subscriptions and make sure you're still subscribed to the people you like to watch. That happens a lot. So we're just going to soften these. I'm going to open my beans and my ham, because at this point, I'm going to do this over the sink. Once these soften up a bit, which will happen really fast, the smaller you cut something, the quicker it cooks. So we already have flavor starting in there with salt, pepper, our mirepoix, and our bacon drippings. I'm going to add our beans, and we've got quite a bit of ham. Hey, hey, hey! Rocky, that wasn't nice. She didn't want anybody else near the food. Bella, did you tell her that was mean? I'll rinse that with some water and pour it in here. So I'm going to open up my can of ham and I'll be right back. Okay, opened our ham. And this has quite a bit of ham in it. I added some water. So it'll be double hammy. And then when this heats up, I will taste the broth and see if it needs any of that. And if you all remember, I canned ham broth from a ham bone I had when I did these beans. All the broth I had left, I canned it up as well. So if you do that, you can use that in your store-bought canned beans. Utilize all of your bones. If you're a canner, make broth out of all of your bones. It'll save you a lot of money. It only takes 20 minutes to can. I'm going to put a little water in this one and rinse it out, get that flavor. And I'm just going to bring these up to a simmer and let them cook, and I will just follow the directions on this Krusty's honey cornbread. I like the sweet cornbread. And yeah, I'll be back if we do anything, and if we don't do anything, I'll be back when we're serving it up. You can let it simmer. If you want to add more water, you can. Taste your broth, see if it needs any more flavoring. You can add some bouillon. If you don't have ham bouillon, you can use chicken bouillon or just water and your canned ham. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you in a few. Okay, so I did add a teaspoon of this and a teaspoon of sugar, and that's it. And we've just been simmering. I have mixed up my cornbread. I have the oven preheating with my cast iron skillet. Should be ready any second. The sizzle, and you want to put a little oil in there. I put a tablespoon of oil in the pan while it was heating. And this will bake for about 20 minutes. So I'm going to pop it back in the oven. And yeah, I will see you guys when we are plating it up. We'll give this a taste. And if you're ever making beans, especially pinto beans, just a smidge of sugar will really balance out your bean soup. They just need it. Tastes good. I just like it to get a little thicker. I like that creamy consistency. So I'm just going to let them keep simmering. Also the carrot it will add a little natural sweetness as well. So if you've never tried carrots in your bean soups, give it a shot. So yeah, we will just let this simmer and bubble and all of that. It's really cold tonight. It's supposed to snow tomorrow. So I think he wants chicken and dumplings. I don't know what we'll have. We may have jambalaya, but it's definitely soupy, stewy kind of weather. So that's what we'll be eating for a few days. So might be a few pantry meals. So I'll see you in a few. Okay, it's ready. Here is our corny bread. Cornbread. Put a little butter on it. There it is, you guys. Let's give it a taste. Let's not burn our lips off. I'm gonna burn my lips off. Hot. Really good. If you like your bean soup, ham and bean. My husband loves his pintos. Well, he's just a beanie kind of guy. So there it is. Super easy. You saw what I did. Wasn't anything. Just use whatever you have in the pantry, whatever you've stocked up on. Store-bought canned beans, home canned beans, or you can just cook up your dry beans and do it the same way. Do the veggies, little bacon drippings, and throw your dry beans in there. Wash them. Cover them with water, season them with ham bouillon, ham broth, a ham bone, canned ham, salt, pepper, whatever seasonings you like, a little bit of sugar, and you've got an awesome dinner. So I hope you all are liking some of the pantry meals. Super easy. And yeah, I will see you soon. If you're getting snow in the morning, you stay warm. Hubby got the heater fixed, thank God. So he's my hero today. And yeah, I will see you all soon. You stay safe, stay healthy, and most of all, you stay warm.